Dunia vela Chipinthei Talkshow vezosi kay masay milal kigeni na bon sabing lim na kahinay na hi. Talkshow angaya ibol bang bin dunia hi talkshow hin silha kidiwa hi. Intuni so guess I ko chu tukum 2019 adinga eho Kuki chin mizoti adinga festival lane pen chawangkut na melhoita thumana kil hengdo ho so hi in ka koma hi tawo hi ta in, and it's indeed my pleasure to host three of you, the three beautiful ladies who was crowned the winner, the first and the second of 2019 Miss Good. So, naming winner to Hile, Marilyn Ning Muan Singh, and first Asu Ling Hoi Ning Thado, and second Asu AR Mating. Welcome to the show. Napon sa kaya ibin kahin lemin na, Tunia Chipinthei Talk. So, yeah, in spite of your busy schedule, you took out your time, and we are here to discuss some of your life story that can inspire the younger generation na ban ho hin het haiding hung nom ho dinga na hin ho tusim ho ki ho thai dinga zibin na chungwa ki pa thu ka hin phong ina. Thank you so much for your time. So I already mentioned your name na min hon su ka hin saitan na. And only name is not okay because we have so many viewers wanting to know where exactly they are from, your background, and also next, let us intro ourselves. So firstly, let us go to the winner, Miss Good 2019. Please introduce yourself.
And currently pursuing BA Pharmacy in Manipur College, and I'm daughter of K. Liang Chikam and K. Jun Kanyan. Thank you.
Basically now in Chirachandpur.
Currently I'm in Fosima family quarter because my dad is police.
Okay. Ay le tuin hoining ko man si kin kating na. Min su injuan zon ka hinsay ta na hiwangin na background na details hi chong san hinsay.
Hello everyone, I am Ling Hoi Ning Thado. I'm 20 years old. Right now I stayed in Motbong village, and I have one elder sister and two brothers, and I have completed my graduation this year, and right now I am preparing for competitive exams. Thank you.
Okay. So let me go straight forward to AR Mating. I don't exactly know. Sometimes I pronounce it Mating or Mating whatsoever.
You pronounce it just right.
Me. Yeah. Can you please introduce?
Okay. Hello everyone. I am AR Mating. I'm 24 years young. I have done my master's, and I'm currently residing at Lumfield Quarters. Thank you.
All right. Very well. So thank you so much for the round of introduction. I let to hin. Ikat first runner-up the winner ko man kating na. Good. Do you still believe, or is it still this a nightmare? How means like how do you go through this one like? Do you still nakita san honam hi miss good nakilawan hi? Sometimes when we itil igel ho by chance or ipiti ha patay na itsan ho hinakita san lo zom ji so na hi title na muhan hi nakita san honam ahilo le ata lam da ipiya na umhan na lam na lungyal han.
So we are all weak, but we try our best, and through our hard work we got this. And then the moment they announced my name as the winner, I feel really grateful because it is like a dream come true for me. And then I was like, oh God has helped me and He has granted me a wish. I was like that.
Okay, and first runner.
Kalau nadang tu ke crown ni ke bezin oh biskut person na ang kahitay ke tizin kabet po boleh ke tha ang nom je na ke crown tong tu kala tha nom ta he ke pa awal dingin kanu ti han tu ni chang ya he ni kha le kon kong ki tho pa le kon ka crown kala do ji he ma chi bi o ke crown ni oi wale ke tizin ke ta san de na he na he tu ni chang ya kamang tabang mga kagiyal na lai.
I want to accept na buong ngay na hiye kita na accept na buong ngay to iti title hindi carry na body han ang pai to be kita na. So Miss Mating, I already asked you of these beautiful ladies. So again to you, do you really still believe that you are the second runner of Miss Good 2019, or do you think it is still a nightmare? In what situation you are?
When my name was first announced, it was very shocking to me because I never thought I'll be getting the crown, of course, because 21 beautiful girls like with the same dream have been working so hard like on this pageant. You know, like everyone is competing, and we were at the same time very loving and caring for the same time, like for all of us, right?
Yeah.
So we never, we like deep down in our heart, we never had that feeling like if I don't win, it's so sad. We were like cheering for each other more. So when my name was announced, I was so shocked, first of all. But now I have come to realize that through hard work, we have all gotten this title, and like now I'm trying to accept it.
Sometimes at night, during your deep sleep, you might wake up and say, "Am I really the Miss Good?"
Right. We think that all the time.
You haven't believed yet, but you have to accept it now, and you three of you have to carry this title beyond the beyond people's expectations, sort of say, because it is a very big platform. Thank you so much for the answer. I let you know that Miss Good Koma. His career hina iti start na himo career hi icha hi beauty pageant na iti na himo pa na. Actually, some sana hin say.
Kay kahile, chihi career langa beauty contest, modeling ikati na langa ka interest mong kaniwai pa sana. Atile, but someone helped me to achieve this dream of mine, and his name is Jojo Mar, and he played a big role in achieving my dream, and I'm really grateful to him. That's all.
His credit Amazon, so Amazon credits are only not really. In whatever we do, it was also his background and me cut on now it is very well seated out there, and he really deserved that crown. He or she, he. He also deserves that crown. Might be we take some time out and let him wear at least for 1 minute. Okay,
actually,
next.
he already wear that one.
Once. That's
Well
perfect.
deserved.
Okay, to the first runner-up. What about you? His career, it is start na him it's a beauty pageant.
Kay zang miss ko no in ansay ba nga so kan ewa pa sa kana thanop na hi in video ho YouTube ma hi han lang ai wale TV akila ho jang ho kana visiting ji na ka thanop to pe hin so hin la muntenin kana zaw ko nai pon to chunga hi ke jong cho ka ki gel tha in to chunga hi ka zaw la wale ka dream si ka kum jang atam te ta to chunga ka bola wale ka dream si ka achieve lo de he ka te in ta cho ke jong ka hom ki gel tha in na ta cho ke hom ka hom ki panin ka hom ha ki bolin hi cha zaw na de nga he ke jong he is ka success na de nga hi mi kanunga mi tam pitain kanulay ka pahi hen lang ka makeup artist ho hen lang chile mi dang jong encourage to guidance ay bol jing win na to niya chan kalol hin na hi amho jo si jal ji jong he katinamen. So I would like to take this opportunity to all the people who have helped me and supported me from day one till today. I am so really thankful to you all.
So they also deserve your crown. But you hold the title, and you also deserve that crown. Very well said. And now to Miss Matting, what about you? How did you start this career on this beauty pageant?
Okay. It has been a roller coaster. I first started with modeling because my sister did her designing, so she asked me to be her showstopper. So I was like, okay, let's just start with this. So the more I got into modeling, the more I got into pageants, because modeling is different, and beauty pageant has a motto. It gives women a platform, to be empowered, and as well as a confidence and discipline. So that's what made me come here. But firstly, I would like to thank my parents, because if they were not the ones who has been supportive to me all this time, I don't think I would be sitting here today.
So, as two of your friends told, that credit goes to each and every one of you who helps you all and to let you achieve this one. All right, so it is past, but till then, I think the viewers and the public might want to see your crowning moment on the screen.
Okay.
So let us take time to let them watch the crowning moment of three of you. Okay. Miss Good winner he, first runner up he, into second runner up for Amaho crowning moment. So maybe Honzo even non details. Are valid to bring out more energy, to bring out more excitement. Maybe how that begin and how.
We shall now declare the second runner-up of Miss Good 2019.
The result is here, ladies. The second runner-up goes to contestant number 5, A.R. Mathing. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 5.
Yes, now let's announce the first runner-up. And the first runner-up goes to contestant number... You said it right. Yes, contestant number 10, Ling Hoi Ning Tado. May I invite the first runner-up of Miss Scoot 2018 to please do the crowning. The first runner-up, Miss Scoot 2018, Wong Chan Phi Lung Leng. Yes, I would like to request Bu Ngam Thang Ho Kip, Honorable Emily, to give away the sash and the bouquet.
So ladies, the remaining 3, could you please step forward? All 3 of you. And please hold your hands together and anticipate this moment that you've been waiting for.
Yes, people, any guesses who will be crowned Miss Scoot 2019? Kung nalading ay kinsa Ruben? Contestant number? Let's hear it. But before we announce the winner, I would like to request the reigning Miss Scoot 2018 to give away the crown. Yes, please. Keep yourself ready. All right, let's hear it now. Loisy, are you ready?
I'm ready, Paul. Are you ready?
I am so ready. This is the moment I've been waiting for, you have been waiting for, and everyone has been waiting for.
And in fact, all the contestants have worked really, really hard to reach this platform.
Indeed, I believe everybody here tonight are winners. Okay.
So the time has finally arrived. Ladies.
So we do it together?
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Miss Scoot 2019
2019
goes to
Contestant number 6,
Marlene Ling Won Ching.
Okay. I like clicking that.
I would like to request the former winner to please do the crowning.
crowning moment so in a visai tawi na hila tu in aban su ki holim na pan pai ki zingo hitin to in Miss Cook 2019 koma na si pai ki zing kati. Who was the first person to introduce you to this fashion world? Idang so na hinsay tan na mi kada. How did he introduce it to you? Amal so iti introduce na bo ang his fashion world ay sab sana hinsay thai.
Chi fashion world ai hi chi nang hi min an help lo le a ha na e ho sum le pai hi le zong alut chi in ai ma le ama hi jel kati jo market hin ama hi chilanga fashion world langa an alut sa hin na e le ama in ni khat ni so beauty pageant beauty contest alut te nang zong na ding en na lin thaw e atin encouraging na ke hi I was like I'm not enough. I'm not pretty enough and all, but he always encouraged me like, no, you're pretty enough. Like, and then that is how I got into this fashion world. And then my parents and my friends and my neighbor and all the people, they so love and care for me. And not only that, but they even encourage me that I'm beautiful. And that is how I get I muster my courage to enter this fashion world.
Exactly, you really indeed are beautiful. That's why you deserve this. And you had okay, to the first runner-up. The same question. The first person to introduce you to this fashion world, Kui Ham, is the fashion world introduced Nanbo.
I think the first person to introduce me in this fashion world is my elder sister. She has always been so supportive and she herself is also very interested in fashion world and beauty pageant, but she currently she is working as a cabin crew, so she have no time to do all this, but she have always supported me since when I was very young, and she is the one who introduced me. And my makeup artist Looney Chongloy,
okay.
He always helped me in everything and always encouraged me, and with my makeup looks, maybe my makeup looks or maybe my walks and everything else. And I am so really proud of both of them.
Yeah. If Looney Chongloy is behind you, then who can be against you?
True.
Okay, the same question to Miss Matting.
Yeah, I've already mentioned my sister was the one introducing me to the modeling career first. So when we were younger, like before she even started her designing course, we always used to look for all these, fashion magazines and everything, and we would be so excited. We would like, oh my god, her dress is so pretty. I want to run that runway and everything. So from there, she has introduced me all this time, and now we are probably working together throughout.
Yeah, that's very nice. Ahin le, to ahin beauty pageant hi izat tabang na hung zauta. Miss
Kia hi. Atam thau tai first hi Miss Pineapple khau sabu nga kana Miza win first beginner like I got one title thankfully, and the second one is Miss Good last year, as many of the people may have known, but this is my second attempt, and that was the second one, and the third one is Miss Manipur.
Okay.
And then unfortunately, as I told before, nobody's perfect, and I got so really nervous, and that is how I just made, and then the other one is Manfred Queen. Yeah. So I got this title in my fifth pageant contest.
Okay. Means like you have lots of experience.
Yes.
And experience tamta na na kina.
Experience ya azong kamwit kati.
Mong so na kadvay itsi ki mo paising lo na also it become a stepping stone or pitira kalbi hunya cha sa tunay sinamo na ki papi hazing na hile first runner up command si kilin kati. To akahin sa mga atsu. Pageant is at nazaw khatam. Masana.
State level beauty pageant awang chi kazaw na masat pen ahin. Ahibang in 2016 ko matsu na thado cultural festival hun festival o matsu kana zawin evangin bagsit of ten kanala zaw ta puat ahibang chi a second time he, but college level lazong ning ko matsin kana zawin first runner mama kanala ka college mama over.
So that might be a failure. Just a failure his only to achievement like that mo he just so that feel he college and tonight yung namulong may tiding in it's God's plan until 180 out in that the AR meeting Miss AR meeting na mong lucky beauty pageant se kaya mo may yawra para hana experience.
Ay may tilon ko. Bakit Ado jo kara try to first I not try to but the 2014 Miss Orange.
Okay.
Ado the luckily a second runner of 5. Ado the gi journey start oye, and then I have been to Delhi after my 2000 after 2014 because I had to do my graduation in Delhi. So there I have participated in Miss Eva India.
Okay.
Ado na national level gigo. Ado the top 10 yauraga I got out. But that was a great experience. So after that I came to Miss Spring last year.
Okay.
And that happens in Ukhrul Shirok Festival.
Okay.
So there I didn't got any title. After that this year I'm trying. So this is my fourth time trying in pageant and I'm getting the second winner. So
Yeah, exactly. So koi adum try to gado bani ko feel oi reha ko koi na lesin gado ban te ba. Try adum to kan te last koi succeed oi kani sigi success is ahan bo oi bani na it really mean to you nangi da mak yam na maru oi ba ko mathang da so dum oi kani ha so it has because I see your personality and three of you. Then tu hin ga hung kino hitin na numay ho hi pasal to igate ka hile numay ho hi atam zo hi kisip na hi phatam zon naman sa na kisip na dijo makeup abana si balding and then work na tong zong naga naked you abana na le khasimo hi so hi iti manage na bo na miss ko hin say maso
first I morning lang homework home lang ay inna na to ho hi ka bol na and then studying and then preparation for beauty contest hi nilha lang ka bol nilha adja so sunahi ikat college lang azong ka bokit ele I just I give hours every day. I keep out my hours. I actually have this one diary. I always wrote out my my everyday timetable. Yeah, it went like that.
Okay, means like quite time he manage na ball kita hina hoya quite na ball siya ang time management hito pita hina siyong so hitsi siya yung so hitsi na mo hiti yung so di mai ti di hintin na si to time management hello he masaki achieve hello he I like to in first runner up the time management na hiti na ball
kay tahi ina ko umpet tahi na graduation ka saya coaching kala ahi in zingka lang le kun coaching kala ji in 7 na ki pan ji in zingka lang lehin coaching in ka ji in ka hong kile lehin pu som lang hin ji tan sting na kun in ho aji chu ina ko ka o zong lo jin na mai ka changa bu ko ji na in hello ho so apoi mo in ho ka he ji in kanule ko pa ho ka ki thopi ji in abanting le bu ho I mean, so I could say patting na dun nilha lang lahin makeup ho jung cho ka ki thep cho makeup ho jung ka bol si in abanting le chi dan ik pe ham im so se nilha lang nga dinga ka koi ji
I mentioned nan bo ka chu bu nan ti le bu le me hon tim ta jong hi di ka ta san na the bomb hazing okay
let's go yeah
hope later we all have a chance to go and taste her cooking na she's good in cooking also
you are all welcome
okay so to the top runner up, like how do you manage your work, your studies, how do you manage your time?
After I went to Delhi, it was very hard because I had to keep up with so many things.
Okay.
Especially have to deal with the people there, like because not they saying that they are bad, but because I am so new to the place, I don't know how the society or how the environment works. So I had to mingle up with that and everything. I had to keep up with that and keep up with my studies. So I had to slowly study and observe what is going on in the surrounding. And then I always kept up with my YouTube and all these pageants and all these fashion, this thing, runway walks and everything. That's how I always prepared myself. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hay ko. Kasi na YouTube saying have the Miss India, handaki Miss India loban nupi din so. I don't know first year, second year, ay hata adre. She prepared just for 2 years, and she achieved it. So we have so many social networking sites.
Yes,
exactly. YouTube, like Google, like how to work. I don't know. You girls might know what your routine. I don't know. I don't have any comment much about it. So that is also one add-on. And now let us go to the next. Abana hong sikila Miss Good Koma. How was that and the experience about pageant teacher? Pageant Miss Good 2019. Nahung zawa pa na apat na achay san up to the crowning san hina na experience. How was experience to itabang hamin sa Chipinthei?
It was really great, first of all, and then at the same time it was really hard because the girls they're so beautiful and they're like very hardworking, and then it was really competitive, and most of them they were really fluent and really good at everything, and then sometimes I feel down because I was like, how am I supposed to win these competitions? However, I did not forget God at that time, and then I always ask God for His help every night, every morning. I pray for this, and then the experience was really amazing because I even get to meet these two beautiful girls.
Yeah, exactly. Very well said. Na, I let in first runner up koma kahindo ang mga na experience si Miss Good 2019 na zaw na si pageants na experience samsan hinsay.
Kay hi nila han di se kay po na sila ko nga hi kay nga hi first I ji to meet to communication hi kay nga ha je ji na ji to mi very social mi kay hilaw je na ha je min hila ka o in ka o kay ka o pata ta hin hin ji in mazo silang pa nga ikitopin jule mi ho jong jo kay ya sang a friendly thedan da na thedan da na jo kalongdongin kyong nong ka sa da na jo sang ta chun kai kabag da pon ke ko hong kam tam che jeng a confident having a brave having hi ta banga no may brave confident na kamukha langin mi ho miss ko no ina hen say ta banga to ha tho he chi ho la competition cho kha we le ilung neo kom jang hong ji in e banga a support me a encourage me atamin chi ja cho hi ya cho kyung ni si a cho hi chi struggle ko ma cho kyung hunga chai na hi chi a he ko hong ki mo hin and I am really grateful to be a part of this Miss Good Beauty Pageant 2019.
Very well said. Okay, the same question to second runner up. Very sorry. Okay, I will suggest. Yeah, ay nga sa hay bagumano ko sige 2019 din Miss Good Beauty Pageant lakpa sila isa gi experience kari no at hay biro awano nga
experience the like we have been working so hard this past 1 week before the pageant, and everyone has been very nervous about it. I'm sure this too nervous at the same time. And there was a moment when I was totally shut. like, oh my god, this is so hard, and then all these girls are so beautiful. Go masak to yam confidence to yam like, how will I do it? No, so I was so depressed. But then like my mom was the like she supported me that moment. Like, it doesn't matter if you win the crown or not. What matters the most is what you have experienced out of this. Take
exactly.
it and stand up and move forward for your next pageant. It's all right. That gave me the boost of confidence. Now I'm like, okay, now it's okay. I'll just do my best.
Exactly.
It doesn't mean that I have to win it, but what I give out my best, that's all it matters. Yeah.
Hoi, yam chumi ko. Aduda noi mayam na haiba common ama lay. Common pot ama lay. Habadi as mayam se loi na masak phajai ai se kam haiton. Adubu noi wakhan da di ai dagi hinba di leite kai da di. Na na gel tai di we na. Smi bang a hoi thya kai pe ai ban da lung thima so kai a hoi pen kai. Na wang san na ki gel tai di ka ta san na. It happens to everyone that what the. Okay. Next hi abana hi miss good command si pe kin ka ting. The most unforgettable moment during the pageant, I see pageant 2019 good pageant sungahi nahi mil thailo moment ipi ham nahi sai.
Of a moment hile, crowning moment.
Moment na.
Yeah, I didn't believe that I was gonna be a winner because in backstage I also told
Exactly.
Martin, I won't be selected. I won't be selected. I'm so nervous, and I really want this, and I was like this, and I have these worries, and then because I really want this, and then, but at that moment they announced my name, and then I was really happy. I think I even clapped my hand. Yeah, that moment was unforgettable.
Yeah, the most unforgettable,
Yeah.
very inspiring. I left first runner up. Nangading nga nahi mil thailo moment. It's a pageant sungahi.
Kaya di nga bang so day one na pa na so unforgettable moment na hitay as ito kaya di nga new experience ahi na ino so si kabol so si new experience ahi in loyla gol tha ta ki mo to ho yan lang so very unforgettable ahi in abanting le July stage ahong day one na pa na stage rehearsal ho yan lang ahi dawale at sa ini kaya crowning moment yan lang crowning moment so kaya to experience also to kaya din nga ba unforgettable moment. I will never forget this in my entire life.
So very inspiring ahi na ahi song ahi na di mamasi. Okay, to the second runners up. What about yours?
Okay,
Isagi di.
I would say like the backstage committee members, the interaction we all girls had with them. That is like the most unforgettable moment because the crowning, I can live with it forever again and again. But the experience and the time I had spent with them and the confidence they have boosted up all this time, that is such an unforgettable moment. They have boosted up all this time, gave us the confidence and gave us the courage. And now here we are being very confident. Happy, after showing what we have.
Yeah, very inspiring, really inspiring. Okay, then one common question for three of you. Natunga din common question kat hindong in kating na. Johi pageant winner first, second na hitawin na. Ay le hichiahi asal tam ta zong. Johi nanungwa hi pitidaha humding na hoy na sa or na day sa mi humdi ta. That's normal, natural na. Ay le nang hoahin itabang pasal na ba no? Itabang pasal hoahi pitidaha you look into itabang na miss ko.
As I have said before, then in my previous interview, I think I look high upon a man who believes in God. If that man knows God, then I think everything else would be perfect. The qualities which is inside him. So yes, that's the type of man.
Even if he look very that's okay.
A God-knowing person, I think he won't do any kind of tobacco and things that alcohol, and also I think he will do good.
Good and happy.
Yeah.
Hoy mama singa hila first runner up nang la.
Kaya di nga bang so pasal ka day to hile mature in heart and a very brave and kind-hearted person. Also, I got fearing and a man who is very fun to be with, not like that serious type of guy.
Funny.
Yeah, fun to be with.
Always
And
making me smile.
And I want a guy who is taller than me.
Preference is so much.
Those are the qualities and the things that I like in a man.
Okay, very nice na. And I do hope pasal adi sana viewers pasal ho in zone in head you hatsu hitabang quality su tu nga Miss Ku 2019 na first le winner no day hit su in a male si du si sita I let now hazik second runner up gidi no pa si ka no pa ying no pa si ka
No, I think the most important thing for me would be someone who doesn't love me for the tag I have,
okay
for the but someone who loves me for who I am and respects me and equally without discriminating or and then at the same time I'll give him the same respect and would understand him as much as he would understand me. Yeah, I think that's what I would do for him.
okay
Yeah.
so viewers not that long. Serious one. All right. Alat na ba na musikin natin na Miss Ku 2019 winner sule title hi namuso kayo hitan na hile hisi title namuwa hi how will you carry on EPP bowling dia nakigel bang hisi title pumahi masa peni Miss Ku koma mitin
Okay, he title kamwa he I wanna influence the youth, especially the
Okay.
youth, to help them, to encourage them. If you look around, there's so much of some negative societies, negative. Some of them they're like dragging them down. So I wanna encourage them, like it is all right to fail in life because that is how you become the better versions of you. The only things which really matter is that we keep on trying, because if we keep on trying, there's always success in life. And yes, you need to ask God also. That is what I believe. So with that in mind, I have taken up this platform.
di mama Zain na inspiring na hile first runner up koma so to akin sa ibang sun hisi na title na mo pa hi EP sang kaya di nga patsum na naman no ma society no
Hiji title kamu na ako na kay man ka contribute hiten so hile tulaya hi society ahina mi youth tamta hi drugs addiction na nga ilot amin hi aware ka bol no min na chile hi impact TV mang cha hi youth ho se drugs lang hi han lang hi lawale social media addiction lang ho se hi them khat pai tha je bo hitin aban ding le ho society u khan to na dinga ama charging be na dinga hi education lampang hi han lang ilawale e ma thnop lampang hin ki ha bol atin hard work build in chile khat le khat ki to sa jing hitin success na azong khat min negative comments ilawale negative comments pe khat to kai ha sanga to success na to ki pa piding chile hiti a to hung ting le khan to na hung ding in kata sanin I want to be a role model for all the thousands of young aspiring girls out there whose only dream is to be crowned as Miss Good someday.
You really are, and you have become nahitan sila nahungi na like hina na buwan ba and what about you to the second runners up, like your crown, your title, isagi title mo crown kasi pangmase asi society ki damag kari tonging ra.
I've already mentioned in my introduction and then my final 5 questions also that I want to uplift our women in our society, in terms of whether it be education or equal right to work wage, because you can see still now there are lots of women who work same as a man but get less work wage. So for them, I want to fight for them. And then for women who can do so much in life, and I want to give them the opportunity, I want to show them the way. If I can just help a little bit, I think that's a lot. That means a lot to me.
Exactly.
So with that motto, I have came to this platform because this platform has given so much to me right now, so far.
Yeah, very much true na. Okay, then in our society, to a whole society beauty pageant or hiti lang ho higa ti society na accept that lang na apalo lang himi umin na ay especially parents ho tawti or viewers ho ko mahi hiti beauty pageant na ko na career sip thai a hilo le siya ko na himku sip thai ti ตัวหินน้องหัวคนหงกิปันหิตานะจะฮิจิจุงสังทัวฮิวิเวอร์โชว์ parents ก็มาอีใส่น้องในฮันมิสกุใส่
The first message which I would like to convey to the parents is that if your children want to do something, let them do, because if we keep on forcing others, then they might achieve it, but they won't love what they do. So they will just, at the end of it, they will just quit, and then they will feel like their life is over and something now. So I have experience in some of my friends, they experience that. So I want to tell them that let the children choose what they want, and let them help them, encourage them, so that they could go up to the top.
Yeah, be independent.
Yeah.
Let them be independent. Yeah, very well said. First runner-up ko, Master, ito kahindo bang dyan na hitabang society hicho hi ahilawa mu or aphalang chichoi hoi lekha simala used to be a doctor, engineering or something tibo isay win na si beauty pageant hoi say the parents wa ni accept beselo so hi bi ko na nai
Hingi adi minule mi pa hoin atam zohin support about be se zipon na beauty pageant hoi na may hello hilawale na may chavai ho zaw na dingin bo agyal no, it's totally wrong, because I have already been here, and imazo se ke heta ina hizi ato nule pa ho in hizi lungyal phalo ilawale lungyal adi lo pa nei pa hui kasulhap nomin azitu mihim khat chu ithanop na za chom equality za chom hinading za chom umahin hiwanga nule pa te ho hichi nule pa se hi pona midang dang tam pin jong hichi asilanga agyal pa hui gyal ta po hitin chihi aphalang mi khat chu mihim ki pa na ding hilawale akipana alungtup khat chu amu ahile chun chu amadinga success in life ahi in hizi achu hichi beauty pageant ho hi asi ahi poi katino me to let them go for what they love, and if that's what make them happy, then let's all support and believe that they can be someone greater one day.
Yeah, very well said. Na di mama zing. Then to the second runners up, as I asked to her, like so many people, public, they always view this beauty pageant in a negative way. So what comment you want to give on this?
The one thing I would want to say is beauty pageant has promoted so many young girls and has given wings to so many dreams. And we three of us this year have gotten our wings. And with the wings we have gotten, with the title we have gotten, we are not just sitting and doing nothing, but we're actually trying so hard and are trying our best to do something in society, to have a betterment society, a better society in our surrounding, and a better life. So I think parents or anyone who views it very negatively shouldn't view it that way, because it has given so many dreams to be alive.
Yeah, very well said. As you all have wings, but as for now, you're in the studio, don't fly away, because we have so many talks to go on. You can fly outside, out the studio or off the screen. Okay, that was just a joke. All right. So our talk, ikiholim na uzong so ano play na hozong na lalдing kata santain patson sa kicholo iti. As we have been discussing since before, you might be tired, so let us take a very short break. Okay. Maybe hozo say 2019 good mel hoi ta mi tu sun kiholim na kahinay tu ahin patson sa ano hungayo itin break chom jaga alaw iti break hong kisay da hong kilay pa itin. Avelin na bon sa amin lim na kahinay kini na hi. Inzo kahin sa ibang sun 2019 Miss Good Beauty Pageant na patsan na nanay ho winner first le second ho to ki holun na so inanay vinto hin break the win aban ang zom kinaw. Are you all enjoying ki ndok na sa na usun na? So let us continue. Okay, now let me go directly to Miss Good. Who is your icon idol? Who do you like most? Might be a Bollywood star, a Hollywood star, or a celebrity, or whosoever. And why?
Okay.
And ipiding nga na.
For me, the person which I like the most is that Miss Universe 2015 PR because she's also a failure. I learned so much from her, and then actually before her reigning as a Miss Universe, she actually she attempted like 3 times, and seeing that it makes me want to even try even more harder even with failures, and it really inspired me.
Yeah, very well said. Really, it's inspiration. Okay, first runner up, nangadingalan na icon, na idol, kung inspire na ball.
My idol is none other than one of the most powerful and most beautiful women in the whole world. Says Priyanka Chopra.
Okay.
I love her so much because she has such strong determination and hard work in her career, and I love how she carry herself. And she is also Miss World and the title holder of Miss World and Miss Universe. So I think her strong determination and her hard working and everything about her is so perfect, and I love her so much. She is my role model.
Yeah, very well said and wise chosen also. So to say, na keep on hazing it. Okay, to the second runner. So what about you?
Okay. My idol is not connected with any pageants,
Okay.
but she's one of well-renowned icon, Aung San Suu Kyi.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm so much inspired by her because the effort and the fight she had put up with her being home arrested for so long, and she couldn't even go to her husband's funeral and everything. Like that inspired me so much and gave me the confidence, right? Like if you fight, keep fighting, no one can stop you. Like that is the motto like I have learned from her, and she inspired me the most so far. Yeah.
Your idols, your icons are very much great. We have one Miss Universe,
Yeah.
we have one Miss World, and we have
Aung San Suu Kyi.
yeah, very well said. And I do hope kata sanina hichho yo sisu follow nan ba ni kha jong na hong hi thai o he na one day you can also become more than her, powerful than her na. Next, let us talk something about women empowerment because this title, every present kibozo si he tamzo hin women empowerment he focus about in na. I first pena Miss Good koma na sing gati women empowerment chun sa nga hi pituna sa inam especially ho state na Manipur hi thinghang ho this na ki society or thinghang na hilly area cheng ho hi women empowerment hi ichani phautam ichani hiwham iti bol le iphat che di chun sa hi comment.
I would like to say in English because
it's okay.
Previously women were not allowed higher education, and that is how what gave us we are not even allowed to go out there, and then we are not even allowed to work, and then but now thanks to the projects of women's empowerment, every girls in every places of the world also they just came out and they empower themselves in terms of beauty pageants or many other fields, and I think that is really great. And nowadays I believe that I see that in each and every country, not only our states but everyone, they are
empowered.
They're empowering themselves, and I think that is a really great idea.
Yeah, it is exactly it is. I let first runner up comma. I ho society women empowerment may ho hat sa hi ichani phauta so la isan yai hat sa be.
No may status hi masanga to tedingin bang very high, very uplift hitavin. Ji ho no may ho zong hi ipifil lampang services lang hihen lang insunga hihen lang anyo pe na say di nga insunga hihen lang chule adang society dang ho azong to ahi no may ho leaders ho ika abe zong len no may ahung zaw pantan no may yung ahung tam che ding kata sanin chuting le masanga bangin empower i status oi high ahi tan hi zong le them khat awat na lain them mun them khat ho hin na mai hi it is tham ni au chain bo mun lai vin na education yang api nom povin education yang chu pasal zo they are giving more opportunities to boys than women so education and I would like to make aware of how important education is to uplift our women in our society and because through education women will learn their rights to fight for their freedom and I think education is the most important thing to uplift our women in the society.
Okay, Mama Zingin. Okay, the same question to the second runners-up about this women empowerment in our society, especially our state.
At present, I think our state is doing so well when it comes to women empowerment because you can see, for an example, look at our Imagetel market. It's all run by women and then it's like the world's largest women market in the world, right? So like it's well known everywhere and it shows women empowerment and I respect those like mothers and sisters because they show that we cannot like just sit and do nothing but we have to do something. We are doing something for the society and for our household, right? We are bringing money to run our house and everything. So it's not just men that can run the house now, but the women's as well. And when it comes to education, I think we have the highest, most schools and everything when it is known as one of the highest school established in the state, right? All over India. Yeah. So education-wise as well, there are so many young girls as well having education and everything. So I think women empowerment in Manipur is very strong.
Very strong.
We don't have any, discrimination against it. It's very fair, 50-50.
Okay, Miss Good second runners-up in the women empowerment. So, duki matik kali have ni ba ko Manipur da especially mana compared to is ima market ni ba. Ima market is the shopping to what's that bra. Means kari lai bacha 81 side went there means like cut na ba kangbu ama means like moy yam kali ba women empowerment sa duki matik kali isa gi experience apa kang tangay ro moy marag sila
I experience ay ju hay ba ngam ra mayam lay ko
apa hay ro
how do I say I don't know I can't so sorry
okay all right yeah sometimes we used to go there and when you buy things they are good. They're really empowered, so
they're
to say.
Very empowered, very
empowered. Very well said. Twin, you all are beautiful today and looking gorgeous. Not only today, since before. So you all deserve this title. So,
Thank you.
what is behind this? Hitsi ano nga EP hama? EP na neo ha? EP na dono. What is behind this beauty? What are your diets and your what foods and all your and what do you like most? Might be in anything, Miss Good.
Okay. For this pageant, actually, I have every day like the timetable for my lunch and dinner and then meal also. And then I drink a lot of water and then fridge. And then after that, I sleep a lot because if we don't sleep, our skin gets like very bad. And then most of all, like before I sleep, I put on some face pack, and then I do not use much of the makeup things, but I use like, how do I explain this? I use like very a little bit of that.
Means like what?
A little bit. Just like I have these lotions, lotion.
Okay.
Skincare. Skincare lotion. Okay, that's all.
Yeah. Means like if you also know some Miss Cook na hinom wala mabol to bang sun na bol na ay first na ngalahin sa iyo
kaya hile nu hoy ta kanay na kahoy na hi kanu ako na jang ahongin chi jang ahin abanteng le hoy na dinga hi ita sa jang hi pulang hoy na isim sang asung lang hoy na pasim de hi na je jun every morning walk nga kachiin nila evening walk nga kachiin to be fit and healthy, and I have a special diet like veg and something like milk and I don't know what to mention, but I have a special diet for this to have a clear skin and a healthy skin. and I fed stilang panghohe kaha
Avoid na bola,
avoid
nahanap.
ka bola figure how ikat na din.
Okay. What about today?
Everything. Just don't regret. Just eat everything.
All right, to the second runner. So what about your secret?
I think I eat the most out of us. I eat 6 times a day. Just imagine. But that was a part of my diet. That's like having a small portion of meal, like keeping me full all the day, throughout the day. So I had divided my 3 times meal into 6 times. So like started from morning breakfast 2 times, lunch 2 times, brunch, taking brunch and evening snacks and everything. I have a diet like that, and then of course skincare comes for sure. At night whenever I'm sleeping, I always make sure that I'm having like a moisturizer on my face and I'm sleeping with that. And I drink a lot of water and I worked out.
Yeah.
Working out is the best thing to be fit, so I work out.
Yeah, all those are very what to say. It is like na routine ho na till ho so nan say ba very inspiring na. Ja sige bo iti ba ki da. If you follow that, why not? You should be beautiful. So they say. But there is something that you all did not disclose. The product that you all use, you don't disclose because that is a secrecy. You did disclose.
That's why I say lots.
Nan say do. An say do ba hiya hile. An say do ba hila mo sa na hoy may thai ji ba sa say do lo. Because they don't want to disclose because you all might become more beautiful than who are in front of me. That's a secret. All right. Let us come to next directly to Miss Good. The title that you got this year 2019, it's just the beginning na kipanalahin na. EPP Balding Natiyam, what do you plan to do for the society using this title EPP Itopi na hilaw la EPP Balding tiya nanayam alan nabosang umpantang haptakat lang si hitan na hinsay tayo.
Actually, I already went and then Josampura kagati na disabilities home. And then I visited orphanage and disability homes. The life there is really poor, and I even learned that they didn't have sponsor.
Okay.
And I feel really sad about it. One question comes to my mind, and that is, what are the rich people doing? And that comes to my mind, and I feel like really sad for them. And also, I have got one determinations. It is my dream, and plus I love what I'm doing, and then I get some, cash for doing what I like, and with that money, I want to provide more for them. It has that determinations of my mind comes to me, and I feel really sad for them. And there's no sponsor, so I want to tell to the viewer as well. If anyone is watching, if anyone who is watching this interview, I hope that you guys also please help them because the life there is really poor, and that's all. I wanted to say that.
Yeah, very emotional. Na? So,
Yeah.
hoping nga na for fun home aumin hita ba mo sponsor ang boy tisu hindi topi tay tay ngi topi di tisu ung gisayhin ay le first runner up nang la EPP na boltam chule EPP bol di mati.
Tuni tanawang hi imagkabonay pon, but I planned on visiting an orphanage like in the days to come, because as a person I have always loved children, and if my contribution, my presence could make them smile, even if it's just for a day, I would like to give them that smile, and I would be the most happiest if I could, kagabila amho kipana kabol do thading hiale so kay kipana dong hindi amho kipana hiding dong kata sanin si jaju hong ding ni ho hi orphanage building ka kay go nge
Nagabil pa yung subang di wa na miyo season abona ki bil thaylo wa na gabil te yung so iga sayo hintin. Okay, what about you, second runner up? What are your plans?
So currently I'm working on something.
Okay.
So I have not collected but gathered few of women in my society, in my locality, who doesn't have any source of income. So I'm taking out all the capital and their work wage as well, and I'm trying to just make a small handwork product, like handmade product, which is like just a pickle or anything, and I'm trying to sell it out. So once I sell it out, the income, whatever profit I get apart from the capital, 70% of the profit I'm trying to give it to an orphanage, and the 30% of it I'm trying to roll it out again and to make the process going on. Yeah. That's what I'm working at right now.
Yeah, very much
Yeah.
inspiring na. Hoi le na ball ki wo tai na ji chu platform hi neu hi ta pon na. Sia ku na hi thil pha neu khat be ani lo khat jong ni sa thai ra na. Sil lo chen lo khat jong na chen sa thai so ho dan no to ki to hi na kin jong all the best ka hin ti hin na. Nan ball tai du to kin jong ka ga always tin. Please do it because through this platform it will be really an honor for you and for everyone if you can like feed someone who don't have anything to eat or who don't have anything to wear, and that is very much related with our religion also. So I also wish you all the best, three of you na.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now let us go to next. If any lady numay khat nunga khat hi 2020 miss ko na dingin kigo na nay nom tele, what tips you want to give? If tips na pi no ma miss ko.
Kay tips pi no mahile in kay maman ka experience ahin na because some of the girls you might be scared that like what if I don't get any title, or what if I what if people talk about me. They have that concern because I've been there, but you really don't need to think about that because if you want something you just go chase after it. If you care about what people say, you will never achieve your goals or your dreams. That is a fact, and you just be brave and chase after your dreams. So that is what I want to tell to those young ladies.
What about the first runner-up?
Ken
Lang
kasay
lahin
nung
sa'yo.
so ahile. Iti beauty pageant nalo na di nga hi bailaw di hiin na. Hezi ato you may face a lot of consequences. So you have to go through it and always believe in yourself, because believing in yourself is because when you believe in yourself, you are already halfway success, and you have to always put up that confidence. And I will encourage those girls who wanted to join in this Miss Cut 2020 that because even when I was during my my practices, my journey, a lot of people encouraged me, maybe a little, or maybe in thu neo cha jong hi mai the lin ta jong hi mai the e banga thu neo cha encouragement ho achu a build up he. It built up my confidence, and it gave me the confidence to reach this level. So I will always encourage them and will always support them and will always be besides them. So the only thing I wanted to say to them is believe in yourself and be confident with what you are doing, and do what you love, because that will make you successful.
Thank you so much. Di mama zing kipamin. Okay, what about the second runner? So what tips you want to give to those young ladies who are waiting for the next 2020?
Okay, the tips I would like to tell them is first, try to love yourself.
Okay.
Because once you love yourself, you will know the true person, who you are, the true you. And then from there, you will build up your courage, to move forward, and will have the confidence. And try to interact with a lot of elders who can give you a lot of advices, because the advices means the most in such crucial time, no?
Yeah.
And the last would be, whenever people try to discourage you or say something bad, don't try to listen to them, or don't take it disheartened. Don't listen to it and be sad about it. Instead, just ignore it and stand up stronger. Yeah, that's the advice I would like to give.
Yeah, it's a very, very nice one. Yam hazay habatare ko. Adum high quality lady noi gi title si sumoy adum phangba yabani habasini na an say ho chu nunga hoita ga thumin a hin say tips so su inazui wa hi le khowele nang jong hichi title hi namu te ni heti na chu hi na ki ba am hezing na hi le tuina ban si ki no hetin na a hi le tu a hi hichi title hi namu han tai na aban hi pi bowling ti hana aban if bowling plan na miss ko.
Actually, I want to go slowly, not hasten the things. If we just rush, then everything is going bad. So, firstly, I want to try and miss Manipur, and then secondly, notice, and then step by step. That's my plan.
Long success deal kata sanin na wish song kahin mo masay.
Thank you.
Siting lesson la be like mu to kit ding. So na ga na hila first na nang like PP plan na ni future.
Hichi ka success na hi stepping stone ha kaman nomin mabana beauty present lang ipi bol thei mam ipi chitet to specific jet to kahanai point hi wangin mabana ma charging de hi kalongin ka gele.
Masaling to skin some whisker okay hintina.
Thank
Okay, what
you.
about you to the second runner? So what are your plans?
It's the same as Marlene, of course. We are both having the same vision. Right now, like I'm planning to join Miss Manipur, if
Okay.
God permits. And then I would like to go for Miss Northeast. Yeah, because with this platform, I'll have, the bigger audience to reach out to. Yeah, that is the main motto. Yeah.
We'll go together.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now one very interesting question. The moment you see Miss Good 2019 crown nahi pe nas EP na lung thima Miss Good.
As I have told you already before, the first thing which came to my mind is that, oh, God has answered my prayer, and I'm so thankful for that, because I have asked of this at the like for 1 year. Every morning, every evening, I pray for it, and as a Christian, I believe that with God everything is possible, and then my answer was being prayer. God, let me see His glory, and my parents also come into my mind, and then my friends who always help me. I want to mention the name here. That is Yami and Veronica. Both of them, they really helps me a lot. So yes, that's all.
Very well said. Nang la luhu nakihu nahin hu pipi watsu ipi lunggel ni am chipeta.
Actually, I was speechless and I couldn't believe my ears at that moment, and I was so excited at the same time, and I am very happy. I was very happy, and and I really thank God for taking me thus far, and also I thank myself for doing so great.
Okay, to the second runner. So what was on your mind at that moment when your name was called up and when you was crowned?
When my name was called out first, I was like, is this real? And then I was like, oh, okay, I'm so happy. Like, I was very happy about it, because it's a state level, first of all. And then there has been like so many people comes out. It's like, we have a diverse state, and so many people from different background has been participating in this festival and in this pageant. So I was very happy about it. Yeah. Very happy.
And you all really deserve that. Okay, then, Manipura hi kicham na le kingai na omthai na ding what should we do if you bolong as a Miss Good?
I think love is all we need. Love is the only unifications for the many communities of our state, Manipur. It is a multicultural state, but still we should not forget that we are all human beings who deserve equal love, equal respect, and protections of our own rights. So I think we should welcome each other and accept each other with a loving heart, no matter who we are or where we came from. That is all.
Miss Good second runner up. Nangin say.
Okay,
Kitsam na le kingai lu na Manipur sungai di sa pwede.
Manipur sunga kitam that na ding kitam that ta hin khom the na ding wa ama sa pena apoy mo pen so understanding he azi to mi khat nin khat to misunderstand about thing le hatred a no mi na chi hatred na ko na to sangcha kina ki bo pi si mang the hi in he ja jo ama sa pena mihim khat ki understand to ding chule ki ngai lu to ding chule ipi situation unang le chi oneness brotherhood hi iman sa lo ding win mizo setin na kanain chule khat ki ngai lu to chi hoite tino me.
Very effective and very strong message. Ado di second runners up 2019 Kuki som na di koi Manipur sida ko habdi huzik su adum peace prevail tawda bang may type to lay ba ado koi man sa lo ina peaceful or ngai na hinna ba yawagi kari tawba da kartai message kar pbi
ina haini ba she India she secular country ko secular country the religion like many religions are there, whether it be Hinduism or Christianity or Muslim or Buddhism. And then apart from that, as a state, Manipur itself has like so many different backgrounds again, and yet we have lived in peace and our harmony for so many years so far. And I believe loving one another, loving our neighbors, right? Especially loving our neighbors is the like most important thing. Forget about the past or like whatever disputes may be having, but if you have the true heart to love someone, I think that is something that will maintain the peace and harmony in
Really
our
it is
state.
na.
Yeah.
Nung ami hoy ta thumin kingai lu na dinga message sa hin pi so effective hi inte ti ta san mi na hung hi zong hung hin tin ai le ki paum he jing in dunia chila Impact TV Kuki channel studio na hung wa no ho hin kho thu sim chu le to an thil ball deal chu le no ho personal life a ki holim na ga ne anom he jing na. It's really an honor to host you all here, the three beautiful ladies.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, you came here. We talk and it's very nice. Impact TV Kuki channel team doesn't have anything to give you, but as a token of love and appreciation from Impact TV Kuki channel, yeah, this one is sponsored by Bidding Zong Kanay po win Impact TV Kuki channel heads in na sinanan to he ni na san pi diu he tisu core committee thalang le producer pa thalang na kahin pi. Abana Zong ngay mama hin na pas ga mo pa zingo.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Really a pleasure. Kipam hazing it. Ay la tuin na chai na dingin Impact TV Kuki channel su le viewers so ko ma ipi sai nom le yam som sa san hin sai pi wa miss ko ni hin pan.
Cái say no ma hilena. Me and me him ki bang chat to let's spread love. And let's spread love no matter who we are or where we came from. Let's spread love because we are all a God's creation who deserve equal love, equal respect, and protection of our own rights. Thank you.
What about our TV channel? You forget that.
No.
TV Kuki channel.
Okay, Impact TV Kuki channel Talkshow. Thanks for having us, and I wish you all the best for your future as well.
Thank you so much. Kakipa
You're welcome.
Ahila first runner up ko.
Ken tuni Impact TV channel viewer ho ko mag say num che hile tuni iho iki support jing to ba hin ma ba na dong ki support to jing hitin ki ngai lu to jing hitin I society oi tha si mu hitin ki ngai lu ta in tin form jing te ka tin ma and Impact TV channel hing start hen Impact TV channel dam start hen.
Okay, what about Miss Matting? What would you like to say to the viewers and our Impact TV Kuki channel?
Okay, ako'y viewers, yung mapamba missing te yam nungay sari atuga yam nathagachari ako'y ta support tawagi atuga ako'y Impact TV the show ako'y like you have called us for the interview. We are so thankful.
Yeah.
We have spoke our heart and our motto because of the platform you guys have given us.
Yeah.
So we are very thankful for that, and I wish the best for future endeavors to you as well. Yeah.
Yes. And I do hope that next time with big title, big crown, you all will be back here with the same me. With the new talk show and with the new story. Thank you so much for joining Impact TV Kuki channel. It was indeed our pleasure to host you all, the three beautiful girls of 2019 Miss Scoot. Kipam he na hongo. Dunia dingin Impact TV Kuki channel Chipinthei Talkshow hisanchun kung khanan leo hitin abanting zong le guest tha chule mi tha chule thusim tha to avela ki hungki dingai he in chika sumi pi hol le viewers so zo si anadam selo hitin chule hi si program event nawa hi iphat sumpi no ho chule ingai sa dan ho Impact TV Kuki channel website comment the feedback ni hin pi thayo hi dunia dingi hi chan hin host sai min lal kip gen kai main kum khana ka hin nein avai zo si na bon chawin mangpha.